Kerala, Maharashtra, Karnataka, who have made it mandatory for people from the state of Goa flying into those states asking for COVID negative certificates, without which they don't allow our entry into the state of Goa. This is exclusively for flyers. As a result, I also am going to have a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister. We will sit with the Honorable Chief Minister with the suggestions made by the experts. We will see what is the most practical solutions to every suggestion made by the expert committee members. I, the Health Minister, strongly feel that there has to be restriction on the number of people at restaurants and other functions and weddings. We have seen recently that due to certain weddings, there has been a spike in COVID in the state of Goa. As a result of which, with the support of the media, it is very important for us to emphasize on two things. One is social distancing. Sometimes it becomes difficult, social distancing, I said today also. And wearing a mask, which has to be made mandatory. I, for one, feel that we should increase the fine on wearing masks in the state of Goa, just like in Delhi. We sometimes feel and take things for granted. Just now, Secretary and we were discussing is that people should immediately report such cases and people should immediately go and get themselves tested. Goa is one of the only states in the country, though we still feel that testing should be more accessible. We are trying to see how we can increase it and maintain a level of about 2,500 to 2,700 tests per day. As per the Government of India protocol, they have said that every person who suppose comes out positive or has symptoms or anything, at least 30 contact tracing of that person should be done. And all this we need to do. And second thing is, through the media, through all of you, all the suggestions made by the expert committee, we are also procuring additional machines for open-ended machines for Hospicio. We have one open-ended machine for at Asilo and for Goa Medical College, so that we are able to increase the Goa Medical College testing capacity much more. Open-ended means what I am trying to say is so that we are able to get open-ended kits so that we can reduce the cost of testing. And there are companies like Thermo Fisher and so many companies where the cost can be brought down so that we can test more people and it becomes viable for the state government to carry out this. Second thing, just like on the Bombay airport, we were just discussing that there should be a place, we should talk to the airports authority and then come out with a thing where testing facilities are available at the airport. It is important. Tomorrow, now after the press briefing, suddenly you will ask me what about people coming by road? What about people coming by railway? But at least certain specific areas, at least if we are able to target like what other states have done, then perhaps we will be able to prevent the rise of COVID in the state of Goa. Today, if you go to the northern belt, I had tweeted also and I have said that social distancing and mask is a must. Lot of eateries and all, you find that there was no COVID. Lot of hotels that you find having functions, you don't even know that there is COVID or what it looks like. There was never COVID in this country. Hence, as a result, I have asked my people for FDA and other people to keep a strict watch on such restaurants, and I have shared my email also on Twitter. Please send with evidence and photographs which restaurant is violating this. We will straight away cancel the license. I am going to do this as a personal mission. And second, also, I feel that young restaurateurs, young guys who are doing extremely well and successful businesses they are running, young hoteliers, make a group of them and ask them to come up with SOPs and talk to their colleagues to say that not to allow these type of things to happen. I strongly believe that there should be a capacity restriction on restaurants and several other areas, because I know Goa is a very favorite destination of people. Goa is the only place where you find people coming in, the most favorite destination in today's time of COVID, because the state government has managed well and we have done well till now. We got a good team now headed by Mr. Ravi Dhawan, our Dean Goa Medical College, Dr. Disa, Dr. Rajeshwar Naik is here. There are other experts also who have been contributing on a regular basis. But then it is important for us to see that these large gatherings and other related activities, there is some type of SOPs and some type of restrictions put. It is necessary for us to do that in order to keep a control. Otherwise, we will be running. You see today what is happening in Maharashtra. You see what is happening in Kerala. See what is happening in Karnataka. And we don't want that to happen in Goa. So as a result of which, I strongly believe that through the media, it is important for us to make the people of Goa understand that even if you take a vaccination, you need to wear a mask. Even if you take a vaccination, Honorable Prime Minister is on record saying that just because you take a vaccination, don't think you're insulated from everything. You need to wear a mask. Social distancing is a must. So only thing is the impact on an individual, what we assume as of today, if you are vaccinated, the effect on him is much less of COVID. So what at the moment, what is the bracket that is given is 60 above and between 49 and 45 and 59 with comorbidities. A lot of Secretary was just mentioning that a lot of people have made a mention in the Secretary's interaction on the VC is to give more flexibility in giving injections between the age group of 45, the age group of 45 to 59, I think, in order to remove that word comorbidity and other things, so more and more people can be engaged. A lot of people have suggested now in the meeting that institutionally we should take up institutions and bring vaccination and make it accessible to them. But then we need Government of India permission for all these things. Dean is also of the opinion to say all of us, means it's unanimous when we discuss, either these certificates of COVID negative is a must and we should do it, is because recently we had somebody coming from Bombay who was infected and he came into Goan only, staying in Bombay, and who's no more, who passed away. So as a result of which, then what happens is the infection, the fear of spread of infection is there. We don't want to create any kind of panic or fear in the minds of any individuals or the citizens of the state of Goa, or people coming into Goa. But definitely tourists also have to follow the SOPs. People of Goa also should follow the SOPs. And it is necessary that we curtail the number of people attending gatherings and we have few at least stringent SOPs in place. We should not be allowing big gatherings and other things, because otherwise what will happen, there is a possibility that there could be a spike in the COVID. That's all for today. Now we will minute it, we'll put it up to the government. And also through your medium, we want to suggest is that there are elderly people family members of the elderly people who are to come forward to vaccinate the people above the age of 60. It's very important. Like doctor was saying, there's a lot of people with diabetes and other things who have lost their lives. But in case they were vaccinated, perhaps they would have fought that much better. So these are all things that have been discussed. And I know what's the question next is that again you'll ask about Sigma and other things. But then don't make it into a controversial thing or a statement that becomes the highlight and we lose focus from what we actually want to do. I think we need to have SOPs for that. We need to have strict SOPs. We need to curtail certain things. Some SOPs are required in order to prevent the spread of COVID in the state of Goa.
So, Minister, म्हाका सांगात की तुम्ही जे भायले स्टेटींतल्यान येता न्ही, स्पेशली लायक कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र वेर देर इज अ स्पाइक, तुम्ही तांकां हें कित्याक करनात की कोविड सर्टिफिकेट कित्याक कंपल्सरी करना? आतां बसींतल्यान टुरिस्ट येता पळय, एकटो टुरिस्ट हें घालना, मास्क घालना, कदंबा बसींत तुम्ही वचा आनी पळय, आनी वयल्यान ते झगडटा, सद्दां झगडी जाता टुरिस्ट आनी लोकल पीपल. Every day, practically, not a single tourist is wearing mask in the bus. Especially in the Kadamba, you go and see.
Now, how do you distinguish in a Kadamba bus between a tourist and a local?
No, you can make out, no?
How do I make out?
No language. Language, we have seen. आम्ही डेली पळयता ती विनो
ना तुमचे म्हणणे सारखे आपण हांव कितें म्हणटा की पहिले म्हणजे सगळ्यांनी मास्क गोंयचो असो काय भायलो असो मास्क सगळ्यांनी घालपाची गरज ना गोंयचे घालता म्हणजे तुमच्या हांगाच आता सगळ्यांनी वयर उखल्ला मास्क अर्धे लोक घालिना मास्क अशे घालून भोवल्यार कशें जातले ते जायना कशें.
Is it that when you talk about strict actions and everything, how has been the support of the government? Because to me,
what do you mean by support of the government?
Like एक part तुम्ही तुमच्या ट्विटरान म्हणटा अशें करता.
हांवें ट्विटरान जें कितें घातलां तें हांवें म्हाजें पर्सनल अपील लोकांक घातल्या की तुमी मास्क घालात, तुमी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग दवरात, आमकां कम्युनिटी म्हणून एकत्र येवन आमकां ते कोविडाक वी शूड फायट कोविड बाय बीइंग युनायटेड इन द विजन अँड इम्प्लिमेंट SOPs ऑफ गव्हर्नमेंट स्ट्रिक्टली. आमचे गव्हर्नमेंटाचे जे कितें आमी सजेस्ट करता, एक्सपर्ट कमिटी हांगा बसल्या, तेंचे सजेशन्स आसा आयकून घेऊन आम्ही ते प्रपोज करता, पण सगळ्या गोष्टी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक केन्ना केन्ना कठीण जातात.
No, why I'm saying is that because if you go to see that casino's entry point and all, you're talking about cancelling the license.
कोण who's talking?
Not that license, I'm saying. Don't follow.
तू आनी कितें भलते घालची हांगाच दिसता येतले भायर.
No, I'm talking about restaurants and all. Why I'm saying is that तिका entry करता पळय
तुझे सगळे ऐकलाय, तू म्हणटा ते सारखे आहा, पूण त्याच बरोबर आमकां याद आसतली की फाटल्या वर्सा ह्याच टायमाक आमची सुरवात जाल्ली आनी म्हणूनच आमकां मातशे विचार सारखे करूंक जाय. पूण आयज पयली फावट आमचे खूब दिसांनी एक्सपर्ट कमिटी मिटींग आमी घेतल्या. सेक्रेटरी हॅज नोटेड ऑल द थिंग्स. आम्ही मुख्यमंत्री कडेन डिटेल चर्चा करून चीफ सेक्रेटरी आम्ही सगळे बसून जे इम्प्लिमेंट आम्ही करू शकता, कितपत आम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट करू शकता, कित्याक बेश्टे नांवां पेपराचेर कितेंय आमी घालूं शकता एसओपीचेर, पण ते इम्प्लिमेंट जावपाची गरज आसा. ते इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतो.
तुम्ही इम्प्लिमेंट करतले पण दुसरे डिपार्टमेंट येना जाल्यार कशें जातले? बिकॉज हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट करतले, ट्युरिझम आसा, पुलीस
तशें नासता ते. आतां तू म्हणटा फाल्यां जे खंय गर्दी खंय जाता चड, थंय आमी म्हणू शकता तांकां एसओपी प्रमाणे तुम्ही जर कार्यक्रम, आयज कांय लग्न जाल्यो आतां, कांय लग्ना खातीर कोविड वाडले, पूण कांय लोकांनी कितें केलें, पीपल वर अटेंडिंग द वेडिंग, they themselves asked them to get a COVID negative certificate and they came and they made like a bubble wedding. They were like restricted within the hotel. So it is everybody can do. We can also come out with SOP suggesting that if you have a gathering of X number, then you need to do it. People, there was a very popular person from Goa who had he insisted on a COVID negative certificate for people. We have to also see that we have to live along with this COVID being present within us and also allowing, without creating fear, certain business activity to continue, but without allowing this thing to spread. So as a result, certain restrictions, certain modified SOPs are required. And I think that we need to deliberate. We will deliberate. After today's interaction, Secretary's interaction, Dean's interaction, Dean made few valid suggestions. Dr. Rajeshwar Naik made certain valid suggestions. Dr. Disa talked about his practical issues. So we will come out with strict SOPs. By the next time we have our expert committee meeting, you will find that we would have already started implementing modified SOPs which are needed. We have to coexist with business. We can't just say there is, because there is a rising graph, that all business should come to a standstill.
No, but at the entry point at least you'll be strict. Entry points at least you'll be strict.
How do you propose to expand the testing? Because
by getting more machines.
that will take time.
No time. The people are there ready to supply.
Walk-in asani, I have to get tested, I have to go to the concerned.
आम्ही already आता secretary. हाँ किती?
म्हणजे ऍज पर प्रेझेंट SOP आम्ही वॉकिंग येवचे पडटले, म्हाका ते टेस्ट करपाक जाय, म्हाका केन्ना वचचें पडटलें. म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट इनक्रीज करपाक आमचे.
नंबर ऑफ टेस्ट म्हणजे नवे तरेचे क्रायटेरिया आम्ही इंटरनली बी ठरयल्ले आसा. त्याच बरोबर आम्ही ऑलरेडी आमची VC जातली फाल्यां नाजाल्यार परवा या फुडल्या 3-4 दिसां भितर विथ ऑल द हेल्थ ऑफिसर्स एंड आमचे जे मशीन सगळे कडेन जे इन्स्टॉल केल्या ते एक्सेसिबल कर, कोणाक जर टेस्ट करूंक जाय. पूण आमी एक लक्षात घ्या, ट्युरिस्ट जो येता परत वचपाक आमची जबाबदारी तेजी न्हवती. आम्ही त्याचे ते चलन रिसीट ते घेतल्या उपरांत आम्ही ते टेस्ट करू शकता. पण त्याच बरोबर आमचे गोंयच्या लोकांक एक्सेसिबल आनी एक्सेसिबल करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न. आनी एक्सेसिबल म्हणजे आमची जी कॅपॅसिटी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजाची जे 450 जर असली ती मशीन ताबडतोब डीनाक रिक्वेस्ट केला आमी ते घेवपाक. आणि त्याच बरोबर हॉस्पिटल बी आमी इन्स्टॉल करपाक सांगला. ते सगळे केल्यार आमी आमची कॅपॅसिटी योग्य तरेन वाडल्यार आमकां एक 2500 2500 to 2700 per day is the minimum testing they have to do. We have told Dr. Utkarsh also accordingly, and Secretary will monitor.
So, is there any study being conducted about the COVID-19 variants present in Goa?
At
Number
moment,
of
how many
COVID-19 variants?
Present, we had only UK variant we had, which we had about I think 7 patients only. There is one more variant which is from Brazil, which is going via Portugal. So we are also keeping eye on Portuguese visitors, but we have not found even one of them. Understood me? Now this has no high mortality, but it has got high infectivity. So we are taken ESI right now only to isolate this patient. So there are strong SOPs for these patients who are coming from UK.
So how many are there at this present?
Now there are nobody is there, and then we are also asking for their genome testing before they come and land in Goa. So they come with their genome testing.
Sir, any guidelines issued by from central government regarding the COVID vaccine? Because they are saying now 6 to 8 weeks. Earlier it was like 28 days for second dose. Now they are saying 6 to 8 weeks.
It
Second thing, sir, doctor, what I found that more elderly people are staying in the villages. Like in my villages, frontline workers get the vaccine, first, second dose, even second dose. But the elder person who are at home, they are not getting the vaccine. Because I am not saying there is no availability, but when we are going to start the vaccine to these people who are staying in the villages, more than 60 age.
The earlier study which was done, it showed that if you give a vaccine second dose within 4 weeks, you get a good immunity, a good booster. Okay, it is called as a second dose, is called as a booster. Now, over a period after vaccinating so many people, they found the booster should come after 6 weeks or 8 weeks.
Okay, no.
So that gives more efficacy, that is 83%. Understood?
Yeah.
So that is why that central guideline has been modified. There is nothing else, but the vaccine is same. Now, second question of yours is elderly people.
Yeah. So
In fact, we are thinking, but we cannot overcome the guidelines given by central government. So as per central government, we are thinking of making vaccination for these elderly people through some database, through some, our healthcare workers to vaccinate them. Now, a lot of people have some reservation to take vaccine. Their children who are belonging to the younger generation are not bringing their elderly parents. This is what we observe. Now, through your media, we are telling them now we have enough data about the safety of this vaccine. So please convey through this media that they should come forward and take vaccine, because the vaccine is the only thing that is going to save us.
परत लॉकडाऊन बी जावपाचे चान्सेस
मिनिस्टर बाबी एकूच यातून 2-3 क्लॅरिटी आसले. एक म्हणजे तुम्ही एअरपोर्टाचेर टेस्टिंग स्टार्ट करतले काय तुम्ही सीएमाक बरयतले आणि
कित्याक आमी आयज एक्सपर्टाचे सगळे ओपिनियन घेतल्या. आमी सगळे एक्सपर्ट्स कित्याक आपयले आयज मिटिंगेक, कारण तेंचे मत कितें, कारण आमकां फाटल्या वर्साचो अनुभव आहा. मार्चान आमकां परत थंय तसलो धक्को बसून उपयोग ना. कितें करूंक जाय ते सगळे गोष्टी फुडले 2-3 दिसां भितर मुख्यमंत्री कडेन बसून योग्य ते चर्चा करून आमकां जे कितें दिसता एक्सपर्ट्सान कितें सजेस्ट केलें, कितें सगळे गोष्टी पब्लीक डोमेनान हांव दिवंक शकना. हांवें कारण तेका आहा की बेश्टे वी कॅनॉट अननेसेसरी क्रिएट एनी कायंड ऑफ पॅनीक ऑर फियर विदाउट एनी रिजन. But definitely there is a cause of concern because of the rising cases of COVID in the state of Goa. But I need to discuss this and what the experts have suggested.
रिकमेंड करतले की टेस्टिंग जावचें
जावंक जाय, म्हाज्या हिशोबान जावंक जाय. आनी म्हाज्या हिशोबान कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट जे भायल्या राज्यान आमचेर बंधन घातला तेंच्या कडल्यान मागपाची गरज आहा, कारण तेंच्या राज्यान सगळीकडे पसरपाक लागले आनी आमकां त्रासान उडयले हांगा. आमी जर वचूंक सोदता मुंबय तर आमकां गावना. पण हे सजेशन आमी करतले सरकाराक. ना तशें सी लिसन listen, you have to understand one thing. Both ways we talk generally. In public life, just for effect, I cannot sit here as a minister and make a statement. We have to also see that people have to survive. People have suffered in the last 1 year. Let's be practical and let us have a practical and a proper approach to dealing with the situation. They are your brothers and sisters only who suffered without a rupee income in the last 1 year. What has been told to us also by the central government, do not create any kind of fear and panic. Same time, you can curtail various events, curtail various activities, but allow activity to go on. We are still not in any kind of a red zone or anything like that, but we need to take precautions. And we must take precautions. Tomorrow, your taxi drivers, tomorrow somebody, restaurant owners, tomorrow somebody else, some hotel fellow, somebody has got a bank liability. You have to think as a government, as a minister, just for effect. Tomorrow's front page headline. I'm not here to sit and make a very fancy statement, but I need to see and discuss. Secretary has to discuss. He has to discuss with Chief Secretary. I have to discuss with Chief Minister. Dean has made a suggestion. His practical present, see what he needs to do. Dr. Rajeshwar Naik has made suggestions. So let us have a practical approach, but through your medium, what is most important is tell the people to please take care. This is not a normal flu. It's not going to come. We have lost people. In the last 1 year, we have seen we have lost prominent people due to COVID. And now as the graph goes up, we have to be very careful. But definitely COVID negative certificate, I am for asking those states to produce a COVID negative certificate of people flying into the state.
Sir, vaccination as a 45 to 59 versus सध्या comorbidity आशिल्ले.
बरोबर.
तुम्ही बाकीच्यांकूय केन्ना ओपन करतले कारण हितून
म्हाका
तुका
दिसता
ते-
की फुडल्या 10 दिसान आनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी दिसली फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी तीच रावल्या ते आयल्यार आमी दितले तुमच्या प्रेसाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान बी तुम्ही सजेशन जे केला ते परमिशन घेवन वी विल टेक इट फॉरवर्ड
मिडिया
मिडिया तुमकां जे इन्स्टिट्युशनली करता म्हाका दिसना की कितें ताका प्रॉब्लम आसतलो पण मिडियाक जर दिवंक जाय इंजेक्शन मिडियाचे रिपोर्टर एंड ऑल दीस वी कॅन ऑलवेज आय कॅन ऑलवेज टेक स्पेशल परमिशन एंड डू इट इज नो हार्म
प्लीज डू
HM तुम्ही सांगले की जे कोण रेस्टॉरंट पब्स आहा ते जे नॉर्म्स पाळिना तेंचेर एक्शन घेतले म्हणून.
ऑफकोर्स घेतलो
ओके हेचे पयलीं तुम्ही आतापर्यंत कितले जाणांचेर घेतले
पळय एक्शन घेवपाक विश्वनाथ न्ही एक्शन घेवपाक म्हाका 2 मिनटां लागता बंद उडय म्हणून सांगपाक पूण ताका संदी तरी दिवंक जाय न्ही तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान की आमी हें करूं शकता फाल्यां वायलेट केल्यार नॉर्म्स हेज्या खातीर आमकां नोटिफाय करचे पडटले आमचे SOPs आनी तेजे नंतर हांव तेजेर म्हणून यंग रेस्टॉरंटर्स एंड हॉटेलर हेंचे एक ग्रुप करून तांकां एक नोटिफाईड कमिटी करून तेंचे सजेशन्स घेवन आमी ते करचे पडटले कित्याक कोवीड कितले दीस उरतले आमी सांगूंक शकना FDAचे थ्रू 2 मिनटां लागता कोविडाच्या नांवान बंद उडोवपाक पूण म्हाका तशें करपाचें ना तांकां संदी तरी दिवया एक
ते
टू
पाळिना
फॉलो
जाल्यार मागीर करतले.
ऑफकोर्स करतो
Sir, have you received any complaint like this?
नो आय हॅव जस्ट शेअर्ड माय यू सी माय ट्विटर आय हॅव शेअर्ड माय ऑफिशियल ईमेल ऑल्सो
सर नाईट क्लब बी चालूच असता सॅटर्डेचे ते किती एक्शन घेऊ
नाईट क्लब असतं ड्रग्साची रेडी
एकदाच घेतले सर ते
ना तू म्हाका कोविडाचे विचार कितें आसा
ना कोविडाची नाईट
तुका एक सांगला न्ही आतां रुपेश की जे कितें करूंक जाय आमी आयज सगळे इनपूट घेतल्या ते इनपुटाचो कसो उपयोग करपाचो ते तुका कळटा
You said that you will discuss with the airport authority also. So, and you're saying that you are in.
ओ एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी
And you said that you are in favor of seeking COVID negative reports.
Yes,
from the
definitely.
state
I have been from beginning, and I will. But for that, I have to also discuss with the Honorable Chief Minister, and we must take an overall view.
Right.
Just
But
because
then,
other states do it.
while this is being contemplated, are you also thinking of testing at the airport like Mumbai is doing it?
We are thinking. That's why we have taken opinion of experts today, and I'm sure we'll come out with stricter SOPs so that we keep COVID under control. in
So
this
that
country.
is being considered, right?
Yes.
Testing at the airport at arrival.
Yes.
And so in few days the Holi is coming and lot of hotels are organizing the Holi festival.
I climb. Wayland.
So what do you like to say?
That's why we have to sit and discuss in
So
next
but
2
how
days.
long? But hardly few days are left. No?
So that's why
Ticket
we will
विकपाक लागले होते.
take. We will see that strict SOPs are in place and they follow that.
पण आम्ही कोविड MLAs आणि कोविड वॅक्सिन घेतला सगळ्यांना तुला सांगणार आहे वॅक्सिनेटेड ऑल MLAs because some of the MLAs have taken it.
घेवपाक काय हरकत नाही तुम्ही बी फ्रंट लाईन आम्ही बी फ्रंट लाईन
आमकां दिया सर
बेगिना बेगीन सेक्रेटरी हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर पासून आमी करतले चीफ मिनिस्टर मेळून तरी आयज म्युनिसिपालिटी इलेक्शन जाल्या मेळटा करता
कोविड नेगेटिव्ह सर्टिफिकेट तुम्ही कंपल्सरी करतले काय ना भायल्या राज्यांतले येता तांकां
माझे पर्सनल मत आहे ते करूंक जाय
करूंक
आता ते ओव्हरऑल सरकाराचे मत कितें आता पळय
पण तुझ्या मताला सरकार
ना सगळे आसूंक जाय ना
सरकार